Don't waste another minute. Let me show you step by step how to promote affiliate products on completely autopilot and automate this entire process. How the top earners are doing it by working hard for only a couple of minutes or even hours, and then it's like a set and forget system where you work for a couple of hours and then you just forget about it, and the automation process kicks in and starts to make you affiliate commissions with different networks. In this training video, I'm going to show you step by step how to make money with Clickbank and automate this entire process, so you don't have to keep on doing the same thing over and over again. So you just do the work once and then it's all automated, so that traffic continues to come to the Clickbank affiliate offers and you continue to get traffic. And I'm going to show you step by step how the top earners are doing it. So if you look into the Clickbank statistic, 95% of all the top affiliates on Clickbank are using the same method to actually automate the entire process. So I'm going to show you how to choose a product, I'm going to show you how to drive quality traffic, and then I'm going to show you what is the reason why the top earners are getting very good and better conversions compared to someone who just came online for the first time and getting started. So let's dive into this video. So right now I'm on Clickbank. So you know Clickbank has over 2,000 digital products. So I'm on the Clickbank marketplace. You could go here, choose any product. Okay, but one of my favorite products which I would like to promote is this product here. I recommend this product to be promoted by so many people because it's one of the best products on the Clickbank marketplace. So if you come here and you just type in this keyword down here, you're going to come here and you're going to see this product down here. Okay, it's all about how to drive unlimited free traffic using Instagram method. Okay, a lot of people are building real solid income businesses using Instagram. So in this course, okay, the owner and the creator teaches you step by step how to build a real solid income business using Instagram. Okay, and also with this course you get some exclusive bonuses as well, and some of the bonuses are priceless. Like one of the bonuses you get is the DFY Biz in the Box, which means you get a done for you sales page, thank you page, members area, email source, everything for you to sell this course like it's your own course and earn 100% profit. Okay, so what you can do is you could come to Clickbank marketplace and just type in this keyword and you're going to find this product down here. Now if you want to purchase this product yourself, that's fine. You can purchase the product yourself, go through the entire course. You're going to love this course. It's a very good course. I love this course and I love to promote this product as well. And the sales page is quite good as well. So if you look at the sales page down here, okay, you're going to see a sales page down here. This is a very good high converting sales page. So you can see here's the sales page. This is the owner of the product. Okay, this is a woman and she has built her entire business using Instagram. So she teaches you everything on Instagram. So you could see here it's a very good high converting sales page, and you can get access to this exact same carbon copy sales page as well by just purchasing the product itself. So you're not just getting a course, you're actually getting the complete done for you business in a box. Okay, so, and if you don't want to purchase the course, that's also fine. You could just promote this product by going here, get your affiliate link, and then start driving quality traffic to your affiliate link. This product pays you 75% commission. Okay, so you can promote this product and you can actually make 75% commission. Okay, so how do you get to this product? You just want to go to the Clickbank marketplace, go to the search bar, type in Instagram, and then you're going to see something like this here. All right, and then you just come here, check the affiliate page. If you are ready to promote and drive some traffic, come here, get affiliate link, and you can start promoting this product. So let me show you how to automate this entire process. So for this purpose, I am actually going to promote my own Clickbank course. Yes, that's right. I have a Clickbank course where I teach people how to build a real solid affiliate business from scratch as a beginner and go from zero to hero and become a 6-figure earner. All right. So this is the course right down here. Okay. So I'm gonna actually promote this course. Okay. And for this course, I want to automate the entire process. Okay. So how do I do this? So first thing what I'm going to do is I'm going to come here to one of the systems and the programs here, and then I'm going to come here and I'm going to click on emails, and then we're going to click on campaigns, and then down here I am going to actually, let me just get rid of this. Okay, let me get rid of this as well. Okay, and then I'm going to click on create. So I'm going to create, and I'm going to put this name as CB Profit System. Okay, so this is my course. Okay, and this is the course that I want to promote. Okay, for this purpose. So I'm going to come here, put the CB Profit System, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to use ChatGPT for this purpose. Okay, so I'm going to go to ChatGPT and I'm going to tell ChatGPT to create me 7 days of email sequences. So I'm on ChatGPT. Now I'm going to tell ChatGPT to create me 7 days of email sequences. So I'm going to say, hey, I have a product called CB Profit System where I teach people how to go from 0 to 10K in commissions with Clickbank. Can you please write me 7 days of good high converting email swipes, swipes which I can use for my course. Alright, so that's it. Let's just get the spellings right. Okay, and let's see what ChatGPT has to do. Okay, the ChatGPT is going to do all the job for me, so check this out. Alright, what are buyers purchasing? Okay, so the buyer is purchasing this one here, CB Profit System course. Okay, who is the target audience? Complete beginners. There you go. Okay, what is the main goal? Sell the course, neutral leads. Okay, sell the course. Yeah, so there you go. It's writing me everything. Okay, check this out. So what we're going to do, we're going to take one by one each email, and we are going to come into our campaigns and create these 7 days of email sequence campaigns. Okay, and we're going to create these campaigns, and then that's how we're going to sell the course. Okay, so let me show you quickly how to do this. So I'm going to come here. Okay, so the biggest mistake, so let's just take this one first. Come here, click on create, come here. Alright, there you go, and then let's just click on this. Wait, what just happened there? Alright, okay, this just made a mistake, so let me just go back. Let me delete this. It's supposed to come in here. Okay, so let's go here. There you go, and now click create. There you go. So the first email is ready to go. Okay, so we're going to come here, and then we're just going to copy this entire email, come here and paste it in. Boom, that's how easy it is. Okay, so I'm going to come here. Alright, just put my name, and then down here is going to be the link. So I'm going to come here, take this link here. Let's just go here. Okay, there you go. That's the link. Okay, by the way, if you want to check this course out, you will find the links in the description. Okay, so there you go. This is the course. Okay, now everything's just looking good. I'm gonna just from here, just make this a bit better. All right, and then let's just make this a bit better as well. So we don't want those long. So there you go. You can see here that I have this course down here. Alright, now I'm going to click on save and publish. Okay, And there you go, everything is just looking good. I'm going to activate, and I'm going to do the same for all the other 7 email swipes down here. Okay, so I'm going to take one by one each email swipe, and we're going to put it into the thing software, all right, and to the system, and basically that's how it works. So what happens is, let me explain what happens. We start to drive traffic to a page like this, not this one, but a page like this. We create a similar page like this, which takes about a couple of minutes. People come here, they click on this button, they go to the product. Most people don't buy immediately. So what happens is these emails starts to kick in. Okay, so 1 day per day email goes out to all these people, and these emails starts to kick in, and then people will start to see these emails, go back to this product and purchase the product. That's how it all works. Okay, so that's how you do business. This is called automation. So it's going to take you a couple of minutes, sometimes even 1 or 2 hours to create these emails. Depends how many emails you're creating. I highly recommend, if it's a low ticket product, 7-day emails. If it's a high ticket product, the minimum 40 days worth of email, 1 email per day. Okay, now with a low ticket product, you just don't have to stick to one product. So if you come back to Clickbank and just say you created email swipes for this product here, and you're driving traffic, okay, you don't have to just stick to this product. So first 7 days to 10-day email sequence going out for this one, okay, and then after that you could create another 7 days and 10 days email sequence for another Clickbank product. So you could have about 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 different products, affiliate products, in just one email campaign. Okay, and each product will have about 7 days to 10 days email sequences. So it's all automated. So you just make effort for a couple of hours, and then after that you just drive traffic. People see the offer, okay, and the emails that go out on your behalf on completely autopilot, okay, and it's just reminding them to go and check out the product again, just in case they got confused or they lost interest, whatever happened, they got distracted. Okay, so this is how the entire process is automated, and 95% people or top affiliates on Clickbank are making money just like this that I'm sharing with you. Okay, it's a proven method that you need to do this. Okay, and I teach all of this step by step, how it can be done, how you can do this, and how you can go from zero to hero in my Clickbank course. I teach everything step by step, so you can learn everything in this course here. Okay, so this is how to make money with Clickbank automation.